Folks, there's two types of people in this world. There's people that clean their cars, and there's pigs. Today I'm going to show you how to not be a pig, and I'll also be giving away some of this product at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Now, some of you may be like, Ben, I take my car to the car wash and it's fine. That's okay. I still have something to sell you. Ceramic waterless wash, ceramic glass cleaner. These are both excellent to touch your car up after you take it through the car wash. It'll make it sparkle just a little bit more and not leave those watermarks. The ceramic glass cleaner is incredible on the windows. We'll demonstrate that in a little bit. Let's get into the video of ceramic coating my pink Model Y. Now, some of you may be asking, what's the difference between this ceramic coating and a professional ceramic coating, which can cost up into the thousands of dollars? A professional ceramic coating, you have to do a paint correction. That way you can seal in the clear coat in its best form. This one is less permanent than that. It's gonna last about 6 months, so applying it 2 to 3 times a year is gonna give you the best results, but makes the car incredibly slick. So there is a difference between the two. This is just more of a DIY at-home project that you can do on your own, and it saves you the thousands of dollars of getting it professionally done. Now, with that said, getting it professionally done, the results are even better. So you're paying for them to paint correct the car and then professionally apply it, and they come with 2, 5, some even 10-year warranties on them. So there is that difference. This is a cost-effective way to do it, and you can still paint correct your car. You can still do all of those steps. It's just this is another option, and I'm gonna show you how well it works. The first thing we're gonna do is pour the silica soap into a bucket here. I only use a single bucket, and it has that brush guard down at the bottom. That way any dirt that comes off the sponge will fall to the bottom and not get stuck into the wash mitt. So first we're gonna use this, and basically all of the hydrosilix products work in conjunction with one another. So this is the silica soap, SiO2 infused, so it's gonna help prep the car for when we put the ceramic coating on, or for when you're using the waterless wash. The whole family of their products works together. So first goes this. So I'm not gonna focus too much on the washing process. I already did a video on that, and that will be linked down in the description. But simply what I'm gonna do is, it's in the morning, it's cooler. You're gonna wash the car from top to bottom and keep the entire thing wet. And then I'm gonna pull it in the garage, dry it off, and start the ceramic process. And another thing just to demonstrate for you here, the windows have the ceramic glass cleaner on them, so watch how the water just propels off the side. It just falls off in sheets. So when you're driving, you can imagine how it just beads off the side of the car. It's pretty impressive. Now, one thing to note here, you want to get absolutely everything off of your car. So there's some bugs I noticed that weren't coming off just with regular soap. So I used PNS Bug Off after we washed it to get the remaining bits off, and that gets it perfect. You just don't want to leave anything sealed into your paint. Not that it's going to permanently seal it, you just want your car to be as clean as possible before doing the ceramic coat. So I'm using this side of the sponge, and I'll have the sponge linked in the description as well. I'm using this side so these ridges are able to pull off the bugs while still protecting your paint. And also, this ceramic coat is safe for vinyl wrap. So this has a vinyl wrap. Underneath the vinyl wrap is paint protection film, or PPF. So it's safe for all of that as well, in case you were wondering or have that on your car. All right, so now we're just getting the car dried off. Unfortunately, the towel that I'm using, which is incredible, from GT Shine. GT Shine is either not in business or they just can't get product right now. So I have found an alternative from them, from Griot's Garage, so I'll have that linked in the description. But if you don't have a good towel, this will be a good recommendation, just because you can literally throw it over the car like this and pull it off, and it actually dries it. It's pretty impressive how it works. And again, drying the car is where a lot of damage happens with your paint. So you want to be very careful. You don't want to be putting pressure into your paint and rubbing it off. You should be able to just throw it on like this, pull it across the paint, and gets it all wiped up. So yeah, these work really nicely. So I'll have that linked in the description. Okay, so the first thing in the ceramic coating process after you wash the car is using their prep layer. Right now it's called Rewind. I think the newer bottle is actually called Prep. It's the same stuff, works incredibly well. But this is just going to remove any grease or old wax or anything from your paint or from your windows so you can get the best adhesion for when you put on the ceramic coat. So that's what we're going to do now. And this is very simple. This is just like spraying on a quick detailer. And again, I use the side with more fibers on the towel and spread it around. You're just trying to cover the entire surface. You can actually feel it start to get slick when you start to go through this process. So I'll flip the towel to the other side and just run that along it just to buff out any spots that we may have missed. You'll repeat that process around the entire exterior of the car, excluding the wheels and tires. So you can do that in your windows, you can do it in your mirror caps, anything. You don't have to. I'm just letting you know it is safe to go on the entire exterior of the car. So we're gonna prep the car, then the ceramic coat. The final part is applying the ceramic coat. A couple things here. If you can apply the coat and let your car sit in a garage for 24 hours or 12 hours or several hours, that would give you the best results. So keeping it in shade, keeping it in the garage is helpful. The other thing, absolutely do not get your car wet after you apply this right away. Now, after it's sat for several hours and it's been able to heal, fine. You can get it wet because then you'll see the water bead right off your car and it works incredibly well. But just a couple warnings, so that way if you have to plan ahead, okay, I have to put my car in shade, or if you don't have a garage, you have a carport or something like that, you can park it there for at least 2 to 4 hours before you move the car again, take it into sunlight or the chance of it getting wet. So just a forewarning. Now, the ceramic coat is, again, like I said, this whole process is very easy, very doable by anyone. You have to have zero skill to be able to do this, which is nice. So we're gonna go ahead and, I always have to check because there's been times where I've sprayed this before I've sprayed the other one, so check that it says ceramic coating. So we're just gonna spray it on and you'll see how it just kind of like bubbles up on the car. It doesn't sit like the prep does. So you're spreading this around your entire surface. You just want to spread that and cover the entire surface with your initial pass, and you'll start to feel the car really get slick, and the depth in your paint will almost change in front of your eyes. Like, this looks incredible. Now, I admit, this is a pink car, so results may differ, but it looks incredible. Another thing you could do is maybe wear some sort of gloves. I know I'm not wearing a glove, but wear some sort of glove so you don't get this stuff on your hands. Again, it's not like the full-blown professional stuff where it's gonna hurt you, but just to be extra cautious. I wish I could have 4D videos to show you how slick this paint is right now. I mean, just even running my hand across it, it feels like ice almost. So it's incredibly slick, and doing this on the full exterior of your car, as far as keeping it clean, very easy. You can do this at the beginning of summer, do it at the end of summer, kind of working around the seasons. You can do it quarterly. But this is just gonna make your car so easy to clean. You could even apply this and then take it to a DIY wash and just spray it off, and then use some microfibers and ceramic waterless wash to touch up any areas. So this is just gonna make maintaining your car extremely easy. The color's really gonna pop. It's easy to apply, it's DIY, and it's at a fraction of what it costs to get it professionally done. So I hope that video was helpful to you. But now for the grand finale, I'm going to give away a Hydrosilex ceramic coating. So I'll give you away the ceramic coating and the prep coat along with a pack of their microfiber towels. So for the microfiber towels, 2 options here. Hydrosilex sells these. Here's what they look like. The nice thing about them is they're edgeless. My other recommendation to you though is the better deal is Costco. If you have a Costco membership, they have like a 36 pack for 20 bucks or something like that. And I still use them. They're Kirkland branded, they're excellent. I would recommend those over these unless you just want to buy it all together on Hydrosilex's site using my code. I get that. The code is GJEEBSAPRIL. It changes by month. So right now it's GJEEBSAPRIL, next month it's GJEEBSMAY, then GJEEBSJune. You can see how it changes. It saves you 25%. So I hope that's been helpful to you guys. Let me know what questions you have in the comments below just about any of their products. I'll be sure to get back to you. And thanks for watching. Like the video and send me pictures of your cars after you've used the Hydrosilex ceramic coating because it's impressive what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.